This is arithmetic sequences as linear functions. So make sure you read through all this stuff and study it. These are going to be your quiz questions, making sure you know what this means, what a sequence is, what's the common difference. Here's an example, here's one that's not. Here's the formula. Knowing the formula, knowing what all parts of it mean, that's something you're going to need to study. That will be on a quiz, that will be on the Edmodo quiz, that will be on a quiz later on, and you might see it on a test. So make sure you have those things memorized. Let's look at some of the example problems. We're only going to look at two. First thing I want to do, I want to find an equation for the nth term. So the nth term means it could be any term I want to find. I just have an equation for it and I have it ready. Then I'm going to find the 21st term. So the first thing you want to do is you want to write your formula. So I have that written. Once you have your formula, you can start filling out the information. Okay, I don't know, or I'm not going to change that because I'm trying to write a formula for the nth term, so that stays. A sub 1 is the first term, so my first term is 15. N is the number of term, so right now I'm leaving that as n. I'm leaving that as n until I know which one I want to find. I know it says 21, but I'm not going to do that yet. I'm writing the equation first. N needs to stay. Make sure you remember that. N stays when you're writing your formula. Now I need to find D. D is my common difference. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Minus 6. You should make sure that there is a common difference, and there is, and it's negative 6. Now I need to simplify. I do distributive property. Make sure you know that it's negative 6 times negative 1, so it's a positive 6. So distributive property, now if there's any like terms, those two are my like terms. So there is an equation for the nth term. There's my equation. Now I want to move on. Now it says find the 21st term. So the 21st term equal to 21 plus negative 6. And then since I'm trying to find the 21st term, 21 is in. Okay, notice how 20 substitutes in. Looking for the 21st term, 21. So I multiply it out, it looks like that. And so the 21st term is negative 105. So follow the steps. Use the procedure. Here's the first answer. Then you can use your formula. Work it the way I show you. Write it down. Write it in order. Okay, let's look at the second one. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to write an equation for the nth term, so I already have my formula ready. So a sub n equal to the first one, which is 3. And now I need d, which is the common difference. So this looks like I'm subtracting 13 every time. So minus 13. Make sure you know where these numbers come from. So here's 3. So, first term, common difference. Now I need to simplify. A sub n is equal to 3 plus negative 13n plus 13. Combine like terms if you have them. So it looks like that. That's my first answer. That's an equation for the nth term. Now, I want to find the 21st, so I take my formula, make sure I put it in parentheses because I'm going to multiply, and then solve. So notice how I work it. Go back and rewatch this if you need to. Make sure to take the Edmodo quiz, memorize the formula, memorize the parts.